higher you build, the farther you reach, the bigger you dream, the greater your maintenance challenge. Inspecting, cleaning, and coating in high and remote locations is expensive, slow, and dangerous. Aerial drones work well at heights, but they are not designed for repetitive tasks. Industrial robots safely perform dangerous, repetitive tasks for extended periods, but they can't fly. The Apellix Aerial Robotics platform combines the precision, reliability, and continuous performance of a robot with the flight capabilities of a drone for safe and cost-effective maintenance and testing in dangerous and hard-to-reach places with no cranes, scaffolding, or rope work. Our Apellix-designed aerial robots serve as industrial tools capable of all-day continuous work via shore power. The easy-to-use Apellix aerial platform can be deployed by engineers in the field with minimal training and adapted to a variety of uses, including cleaning, coating, and non-destructive contact tests. The Apellix platform is, above all, a safety tool. When there's dangerous work to be done, you need Apellix. Now robots can fly, and so will your maintenance and testing with custom solutions featuring Apellix.